Okay, as I'm sure you already know, a few days ago, floodwaters tore through Texas Hill Country. And for many of us, this wasn't just news because it happened right down the street. And we've watched our fellow Texans wade through loss, wondering what comes next. While no tax can undo the devastation, the IRS does offer a form of relief that could help families rebuild. It's the casualty loss deduction. If your home or personal property was destroyed and insurance didn't cover everything, you may be able to claim the unreimbursed portion as a tax deduction. Since this disaster received a federal declaration from FEMA, the number is 4879-DR. So now you can choose to apply the loss to your 2025 tax return, or you can claim it on your 2024 tax return, your extended tax return, or amend if you've already submitted your 2024 tax return. This is done by using IRS Form 4684, and if you've already filed for 2024, you'd submit Form 1040X to amend it. You will need to itemize deductions to claim this, but in many cases the damage is so significant it'll push your total losses beyond the standard deduction threshold, so even if you haven't itemized before, you may be able to now. So this is not going to replace what was lost, but it might help ease the financial burden on families trying to rebuild their lives. For more information, you can visit irs.gov and look up FEMA disaster number 4879-DR. And if this message reaches someone impacted, just know our hearts are with you. So now here are some important tax filing deadline changes. The IRS has extended the filing and payment deadlines to February 2nd, 2026 for individuals and businesses affected by the July 2025 Texas floods, specifically in federally declared disaster areas like Kern County. This extension applies to your 2024 returns on valid extensions, which were normally due October 15, your quarterly estimated payments due September 15 and January 15, payroll and exercise tax returns due July 31st, October 31st, and January 31st, partnership, S-Corp, and nonprofits with extended deadlines in the fall of 2025. So if you haven't filed your 2024 tax return yet, you can include the casualty loss directly. If you already filed, you have until October 15, 2026 to amend that return and claim the loss, or just include the loss on your 2025 tax return. Thanks for watching. Again, our hearts go out to anyone who was affected by the floods. I'll see you next time.